Protesters walked more than 200 miles from New York City to D.C. in hopes of getting the attention of the public and the 9 Supreme Court justices. As the fight to keep hundreds of thousands of dreamers in the United States begins today, the decision will have a huge impact here in California. 10 News anchor Mary McKenzie joins us live from San Ysidro. Mary, hundreds of thousands of people in our state alone very anxious about this case.
Jim, this is the most important immigration case being heard before the Supreme Court this year, affecting more than 700,000 of the so-called dreamers, these immigrants brought to the country illegally as children or even infants. Opening arguments in this fight over DACA will be heard this morning by a conservative-leaning court, and it will be up to that court to decide whether President Trump was justified in seeking to dismantle and to revoke the popular Obama-era policy, and if that effort to do so was based on evidence. That's really the legal argument that they will have to debate today. If the Supreme Court does not rule in favor of upholding DACA, certainly the fight doesn't come to an end. What one local expert explains is that it essentially becomes a bargaining chip for the administration.
I understand that President Trump will likely go back to Congress and say, if you do not provide me the funding for the wall that I want to build, then I will end DACA.
Now, all eyes will likely be on Chief Justice John Roberts with regard to this decision. He has shown a willingness to side with liberals in high-profile cases before, but he has also ruled to expand the Trump administration's power. So it will be interesting to see what happens. Those hearings, the opening arguments start later this morning. We're live at San Ysidro. Mary McKenzie, 10 News.